Talking about government give remission day professional. So what did you think about the prisoner who has corruption in this country? What did you think about that, the corruption? When we are so in the television and news, when we are so in the news, when we are so in the news about the jail or prison, they got high facility like air conditioner and then refrigerator, deep television, spring bed, anything like the motel apartment in that prison in the jail. What do you think about that? The corruption, because the point is money very important. Money can buy everything. You know what I mean? Dalam penjara itu ada sebuah kamar seperti hotel. What do you think about that, man?